This one is fruit of action. So what is this for? These are for decisions. The decisions that you make. Simula bukas, ito ang gagawin ko because of what I have learned from this training. So this is a very important thing to do, no? To make a decision about how you're going to apply the lessons back in the workplace. Because let's be honest with each other. You cannot develop your skill in this session. 8 hours, ma-develop ang skills mo. Di ka nga matuto ng bisikleta sa isang araw, di ba? Makakailang semplang ka muna bago ka magkaroon ng skill, di ba? So, where do you develop the skills? You develop the skills in the workplace through repeated practice, di ba? Nung nag-aaral tayo magbisikleta, we failed several times, and the reason why you know how to ride the bicycle now is because you did not allow failure to stop you from learning. Tama po ba? Meron po bang hindi marunong magbisikleta rito? Ayaw umamin, ano? Minsan may namimit ako na pag tinanong ko, hindi marunong magbisikleta, did you try? So, dalawang klase ng tanong, I never tried because I'm too afraid, or I tried, sumemplang ako once, nadala ako, di ko na inulit, hindi ako natuto. But for everyone who ever learned how to ride a bicycle, it's because you did it repeatedly and you improved each time. Di ba? Kung ganun sa bisikleta, lalo na sa leadership. Bakit? Yung bisikleta, machine. Ang kadil ninyo, tao. And what do we know about people? Ha? Sari-sari. Sari-sari ang tao. Meron nga isang tao, sari-sari din. Iba yung personality sa umaga, iba personality sa hapon. No? Depende kung inaway ng asawa. No? So, di ba? O nakascore, di ba? So, iba-iba ang iba-iba ang ng tao. So, the ability to develop the skills to navigate leadership is even more important than riding a bicycle. And the chance of failure is also higher. So, kung madalain kang tao, you will never be a better leader. And we're here because we want to be better leader. Tama po ba? Can I hear a yes? Okay, good.